Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add a user to Podio. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been frustrated trying to add a user to a project management tool? So you're not alone. Many people find it difficult to add users to Podio, even though it's a relatively simple process. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of adding a user to Podio, step by step. I'll also provide some tips and tricks to make the process even easier. So, let's get started. What is Podio? Before we get into the steps of adding a user to Podio, let's take a quick look at what Podio is. Podio is a project management and collaboration tool that can be used to manage tasks, projects, and teams. It's a powerful tool that can be used by businesses of all sizes. How to add a user to Podio? Now that we know what Podio is, let's get into the steps of adding a user to Podio. Log in to your Podio account. Click on the Settings tab. Click on the Users tab. Click on the Add User button. Enter the user's email address. Select the user's role. Click on the Save button. The user will receive an email invitation to join your Podio workspace. Once the user has accepted the invitation, they will be able to log in to your Podio workspace and start using Podio. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips and tricks to make the process of adding a user to Podio even easier. You can add multiple users at the same time. You can specify a custom welcome message for new users. You can assign users to specific roles and permissions. You can send users an email notification when they are added to a Podio workspace. Adding a user to Podio is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the tips and tricks in this video, you can make the process even easier. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to add a user to Podio. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Podio and other project management tools. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.